Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Today I'm going to show you how you can design a bookmark in Adobe Photoshop. And the best part is that we are going to design the bookmark using my own photos. So let's get started. If you like my video guys, give me a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And now enjoy the video. Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Today is the time to once again merge photography into design, and we are gonna design a bookmark using my own photos. So let's get started.
I will have a look at my travel photos and see which ones fit in. Bookmarks are a vertical strip, so I obviously have to select photos that are vertical and have space to crop them, like this one. But since I have clicked them in RAW, I may select a horizontal one, provided I have room to crop it like this. I will select a few images, edit the RAW files like I normally do. I will not get into the editing in detail, but here make sure you have the highest resolution, that's 6000 by 4000 for my camera, at 300 pixels per inch. Open and save as high resolution JPEGs.
If I don't have a RAW file, if I've clicked the image using my mobile phone camera or a point and shoot camera, then I need to save my image at the maximum dimension I can and make sure it is 300 dpi.
Here I have saved a few edited images in a separate folder. I can Google and get the dimensions of a bookmark. Let's take 2.5 inches by 8.5 inches. I may also take a bookmark and measure the dimensions. I open Photoshop and key in the dimensions. 2.5 inch by 8.5 inch, 300 pixels per inch. Remaining settings are fine. Create.
The text style is something that can make or break your design. So I want to have a nice quote on top of my bookmark. For that I need a good font. Let's look for it.
You can search for thousands of fonts online. I am using dafont.com. Let's go through some calligraphy fonts. I like this one. Download. Next, sans serif, meaning without serif, that is plain fonts. I like Go Bold, nice and bold. Yes, that's it. Now back to Photoshop. I'm gonna drop my image here, drag it to resize. I can press Shift key while dragging to resize evenly, or turn on the link button here. See how I have composed my image? It gets cut from this rock here. Let's duplicate the image. The image should start from that rock I showed you. Oops, I need to increase the size a bit. So I select both layers by pressing the Shift key and hit Ctrl plus T to free transform, and again press Shift key or the link button while resizing. Making adjustments to the composition. Let it start from the rock. Arranging them in groups. Select one image, press Ctrl G to group and name the group front and the second one as back. Let's save our file, Ctrl+S. I'll save it here. Using the text tool, typing in my code, select black color, select the font I had downloaded from DaFont, increase font size, go to the character panel. If you can't see the character panel, go to window character and it will pop up. Adjust the leading and kerning, bring it to the center. Next, type in adventure in all caps, select go bold font, bring it to the center too. Let's align this properly with the help of guidelines. If your rulers are not visible, go to view rulers and they will appear. Drag a guideline from the ruler and set the text area. My text is aligned. Now I select the line tool. I'm going to draw 3 lines to emphasize the text new. Similarly on the other side, 3 lines. Front side is ready. Save, keep saving. Turn off the front layers and let's start working on the back. I will add my logo here. Just drag and drop the PNG here. Oops, bring it on top of the image. Ctrl+T and resize. Align to the left margin. Now I'll add text, make this left align, Arial regular, reduce font size, white color, type my email address, make E Arial bold, press Alt to duplicate this and write my website maybe, adjust the spacing. In order to make the text more readable, I will create a blank layer above the image and behind the text. Use the brush tool, increase brush size, hardness 0%. Select black color and paint behind the text. Reduce opacity to around 35%. That's it, we are done. File, save as JPEG, save maximum quality if I want to print it. Similarly, save the back JPEG. Finally, saved.
I have made more such bookmark designs for you guys for your inspiration. So guys, design your own bookmarks and give them out to your friends and family members and spread your work all over the place, guys. And if you found this video to be helpful, give me a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about which graphic design tutorials you want to watch next on my channel. Share this video with your friends. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous design tutorial where I designed some travel banners. Please go check this video out, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.